So here is the type of question which will be asked. For some type of isometric, they will just give this kind of questions, saying this is the height and 1 second. Z. If I have to put smart dimensions, let me just okay one. Okay, you see 25, 35, 15. Even this is 15. Okay, uh, this is 35, and let me give this here. Done. So even this is 25. Okay. Uh, if I select, okay, like that. I just minimize it. So this is a given question. Sometimes they will give the marking, sometimes they won't give, but you have to write. So see here, if you have to give the mark, it is in such a way that here A, B is there, but C, D is missing. So A in the bracket D, here B in the bracket C. So you have to remember a place like that. What is here same? The same should be above, but you have to put dash for that. And here also you can give other naming W, X, Y, Z. So if you give W here X, so on other side it will be like missing, right? So like that you can give any namings, you can give multiple names also, but here let us just focus on the part of drawing the isometric for this type of question. So here they will say this is some attached surface, and that is not what to say. In the question they won't say it is a rectangle. Okay, so for the same problem, we'll do in such a way that this box is a rectangle, and in other place this same box is a cylinder. Okay, so first we'll do a problem where the particular thing. First we'll start with rectangle. So we'll start with the easy one, then we'll go to the what to say complicated part. So let us begin with that. Now if I zoom this out and zoom somewhere here, so now we know the length, right? So first always what you have to do, you have to draw a base. Let it be any length. Now from here you have to start. So since the square it is a rectangular square, but the base is 25 mm of each, right? So I'll type 25, hit enter. Angle is 30. Okay, again 25, enter. 150, enter. Okay, then again 25, enter. Okay, 150, 150, done. So now what I have to do, I have to take a height of 40 mm and hit enter. Now what I will do, I'll select the move option on the copy thing. I'll select this all. I'll select this point. Again I'll place it here. Okay, there is a I think there is some problem. So 25, this 25. Oh, see, this is 25, but this is not 25. Okay, 1 second. We'll just redraw this. There was a problem. I don't know how it happened. 25, 30, enter. 25, enter. 150, enter. 25, enter. Minus 150, enter. 25, enter. Minus 30, enter. Here 40, enter. 90, enter. Now move. Since my laptop doesn't have what to say another side, at the side there will be a numpad, right? There's no numpad in this, so what to say, I have little difficulties to type fast because I have to write that row or thing. So I'll zoom out a little. Now I have to join this from here and another line from here to here. Okay, so now see, this is my cube. What to say, whatever the cube I had to make. So this is the cube, here 25, here 40, 40. Now as you can see here, on the right side we have this truncated surface. It is nothing but this side. On this plane we have. So here what I have to do, first I'll take a line like this. It's just a projection. Okay. So this line ka center is this, I'll take like this. See, it should be at the angle of 30 itself. Now what I'll do? Now I have to make a rectangle whose length is what is that length? Here it is 35 and height is 15, right? Okay. Let me just zoom in properly. So see, I have to draw 15, 15, enter, 30, enter. Okay, 15, enter. Now down if I have to go, minus 30, enter. Again 15, enter, minus 150, enter. And then directly I can, if I join it here, it will be perfect. I think I had to take like this, sorry. Oh, everything was waste. Z, 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 Z. Sorry. I have to take like this. 15. Enter, enter. Now it will go like this. Okay, 15. 15, enter. That is 30. Okay, then again 15, enter. Minus enter, and then 15. This will go here. Now what I have to do? I have to turn on the copy thing. Select this whole thing. I'll just copy and keep this here like this. Okay, done. Now same way I have to copy, turn off the copy one. I'll go select this. See, if I come here now, it will exactly select the center, but no need. So I have to first split this line, or else uh, I have to select the center of this. So I can do one thing. Either I can split this line and keep it here. This direct will go here, or I'll and again put some lines like this from here, this center. So now I can just move this now properly. I'll move this. I'll select this center and I'll put at this center. Done. Now what he had said, the length truncated surface, right? So that was how much it was? 40. So sorry, 35. 35, right? I'll zoom in again. I'll zoom little like this. No. Okay, I'll use this place. Done. So now I have to take a line again. 35, enter. Okay, I have to take it to minus array. Minus 30, enter. Okay, same way again this 35, enter, minus 30, enter, and this I'll join it here. Okay, same way I have to do here. 35, enter. Okay, minus 30, enter. Then 15, enter. 90, enter. So this will join again like that, but I have to take this till here. Okay, then this will join here. This will join here. So I did not have to use this again, so I'll just delete that. Okay, so it is coming down. We could have also taken in such a way that it is going like this also. That's not a problem, but since we took it like this, we'll just do it like that itself. Okay. Now again I have to draw few lines. So another play 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's perfect now. So here I have to now start selecting the lines which are visible. 1, 2, 3, top all are visible. 4, 5. This full face is also visible, and this edge is visible. This line is visible. This top line is visible. This line is also visible, but I have to split here. So for now, I won't. What to say? 0.4. Hit enter. Now, as you can see, this line and this line is also visible, but I did not. What to say? Change the width of this, because here this thing is showing above, right? So I'll just tap here, intersection, cut, split this line, the intersection, cut. Okay, now again I'll select this and this line, go here, 0.4, hit enter, done. So now all my visible edges are visible. Now I'll select the lines which are hidden. This is hidden, this is hidden, this line is hidden, even this is hidden, this line and this line is hidden, and this line is hidden. Style, change to 0.35 and change this to hidden lines and leave it. So see, oh sorry, even this part is hidden. I forgot to change it. 0.35 and done. So whatever the parts were visible, I have put it. Now I have to simply to select the smart dimension. I'll go far, put here, 25 put here, 40 put here, 15 put here. Now angular dimensions, this array, okay bro, this and this, done. So if they give some like this, you just have to draw like this. So for the thumbnail, I'll move this whole thing, select anywhere, drop it here. I have to zoom how much ever I can. Let me zoom it properly. Little so okay, sorry, the session is done. You understood right how you have to, I mean, solve these problems. So that's it. Much is not there. Okay, I'll give the dimension here since I can't see the top one. So this is my perfect how to say thumbnail shot. So you understood how to do this. In the next video, you have to do namings. Okay, kindly do the namings. In next video, I'll show you how instead of this cube, what to say, this will come. So what is a cylinder will come. Okay, so we'll see in the next.